Welcome, today in front of me SONY Xperia Tablet Z, and I'll show you how to switch the device. To turn on your tablet, you should just hold for a while the power key button here on the left side of your device for a few seconds, and here you'll see the power off menu. Just tap there and tap to OK to shut down your tablet. Wait a couple of seconds, and then when the screen will just we'll just wait a couple of seconds to show you how. So as can you see right now the screen is dark. This means that your tablet is turned off. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.